Assalamualaikum 9th class. Welcome to your mathematics lecture. Today we will continue exercise 6.3. It's question number 1. We will solve part 8 and 9. Question 1 states, use factorization to find square root of the following expression. We have to use the factorization method and then we have to find the square root. इस क्वेश्चन के 2 steps हैं. First is to factorize and the second is to find the square root. Our question is x square plus 3x plus 2 into x square plus 4x plus 3 into x square plus 5x plus 6. Now we are having 3 separate brackets. 3 अलग से brackets हैं और उन brackets के अंदर 3 terms given है. Highest term square की है, then the with a single power of variable, again square term, single power, square term, single power. जब भी हमारे पास highest power 2 होती है तो हम कहते हैं कि they are type of quadratic equations. इन equations को हम quadratic equations कहते हैं. अच्छा जी, factorize करना है. So factorization के we are having a lot of methods. हम common ले सकते हैं, हम mid term break कर सकते हैं, we can apply the formula. तो यहाँ पर because x square is a perfect square but 2 is not a perfect square of any number, so we cannot apply the formula. We have to break the midterm. First, 3 will be changed to 2 plus 1, 4 will be changed to 3 plus 1 and 5 will be changed to 2 plus 3. Now we have to multiply the brackets. It will become x square plus 2 into x will be 2x and 1 into x will be 1x plus 2. Then x square plus 3 into x is 3x, 1 into x is 1x plus 3. X square plus 2 into x is 2x and 3 into x is 3x plus 6. Now we have to take common. So in the bracket we are having 4 digits now. जब भी हमारे पास 4 digits आ जाते हैं तो हम common लेते हैं पहले 2 digits और last 2 digits से. पहली ब्रैकेट को अगर देखें तो x स्क्वायर प्लस 2x में से x कॉमन, यहाँ पे 2x थे, एक x कॉमन में चला गया तो हमारे पास एक x बचा इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट. प्लस 2 will remain the same and x will not be written with 2 because x is outside the bracket. 1x plus 2 nothing is common. जब कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं होता तो हम कॉमन में 1 लिख देते हैं and the remaining thing remains the same. x plus 2 will be written inside the bracket. इसी तरह अगर हम सेकेंड ब्रैकेट पर जाएं, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 3x एज एक्स स्क्वायर एंड 3x, x इज द कॉमन डिजिट. यहाँ 2x थे, एक ब्रैकेट के अंदर और एक बाहर आ गया. 3x में से x क्योंकि हम कॉमन ले चुके हैं सो ओनली 3 विल रिमेन. अगेन 1 प्लस 3x नथिंग इज कॉमन, so 1 is the common digit and x plus 3 will remain the same inside the bracket. Coming to the third bracket, x square plus 2x, कॉमन इसमें से हमारे पास x आ जाएगा, 2x में से एक x बच गया प्लस सेम रहेगा, 2x में से x बाहर है, 2 को हम ब्रैकेट के अंदर लिख देंगे, प्लस 3x प्लस 6. नाउ इन दिस ब्रैकेट वी आर having 3 as the common digit, so 3 तो हमने बाहर लिख दिया, x will be inside the bracket and 6 will be changed to 2 because 3 2 times 6. Now the common bracket should be written once. हमारे पास मिड टर्म ब्रेक को चेक करने का मेथड ये होता है कि जब हमारे पास जो दो कॉमन ब्रैकेट्स आती हैं दे शुड बी सेम, उसके डिजिट सेम होने चाहिए और उसके साइन सेम होने चाहिए. सो वी आर हैविंग x प्लस 2 x प्लस 2, सो इट इज़ सेम, वी विल राइट इट वंस, x प्लस 2 को एक दफ़ा और x और प्लस 1 को एक अलग ब्रैकेट में. इसी तरह अगर दूसरी ब्रैकेट को चेक किया जाए तो x प्लस 3 एंड x प्लस 3 ब्रैकेट सेम है, इट मीन्स मिड टर्म ब्रेक करेक्ट थी. तो x plus 3 will be written once and the digits x and plus 1 will be written in a separate bracket. Then in the last x plus 2 x plus 2, again the brackets are same, so they will be written once and then x and plus 3 will be written in a separate bracket. अगर आप इस इक्वेशन पर गौर करें तो you can see that every bracket is twice, like x plus 2, here is another x plus 2, x plus 1, another x plus 1, x plus 3, another x plus 3. So can I write them x plus 2 square plus x plus 1 square and x plus 3 square? Because they all are written twice, so I can write square, all of them are multiplying. जब भी दो ब्रैकेट्स मल्टीप्लाई होती हैं या दो डिजिट्स मल्टीप्लाई होते हैं तो उनके पावर्स ऐड हो जाती हैं। सो x प्लस टू की 1 पावर है और इस x प्लस टू की भी 1 पावर है, तो हम एक x प्लस टू लिखेंगे और ये पावर 1 और यहाँ की पावर 1 would be added to become 2. Same goes for x plus 1, ये भी दो दफ़ा थे तो it will become square. X plus 3 was also twice, so it will become the square. Factorization is complete now. Use factorization, so factorization is complete. Now what we have to do, we have to take the square root. So taking square root, all the equation will be written inside the root. Squares, सब ब्रैकेट के squares will be get cancelled with the square root. तो ब्रैकेट से बाहर हमारे पास x plus 2, x plus 1 और x plus 3 आ जाएगा and that will be our answer. क्योंकि पहले हमें factorize करना था, factorization हमारी यहाँ तक complete हो गई. Second step was to take square root. Square root लेने के बाद all the squares get cancelled and this becomes our answer. Coming to the next part number 9, it states x square plus 8x plus 7 into 2x square minus x minus 3 into 2x square plus 11x minus 21. Again, we have to solve it in two steps. The first step is of factorization and the second step is to take square root. The first step of factorization can be solved using midterm break method or by applying the formula. For midterm break method, we have to look that is the first digit and the last digits a perfect square. This is a perfect square, but 7 is not square of any number. Same goes, both are not the perfect square. Here again, both are not the perfect square. It means we are going to apply the midterm break method. We are having 7 and 8, so we can write 7 plus 1 instead of 8. It will become 7 plus 1 will become 8 and 7 into 1 is 7. Coming to the next bracket, 2 into 3 is 6. So instead of 1, I will write 3 minus 2 because 3 minus 2 will become 1 and multiplying 3 with 2 will become 6. 2 into 21 is 42. So instead of 11, I will write 14 minus 3 because 14 minus 3 is 11 and 14 multiplied by 3 is 42. Opening the brackets, x square plus 7x plus 1x plus 7, then 2x square. Now this minus sign will change the sign of the 2 that is inside the bracket. So minus 3x will be written, then minus minus plus 2x minus 3. 2x square plus 14x minus 3x minus 21. Now we are having 4 digits inside the bracket. जब भी bracket के अंदर 4 digits आ जाएं तो हमें क्या करना होता है? We have to take common from the first 2 digits and the last 2 digits. Taking common from the first 2 digits, x square plus 7x. X is the common digit, x plus 7 will remain inside the bracket. Nothing common between x and 7, so 1 is the common digit and x plus 7 will remain the same. हमारी दोनों brackets same आई, so we are satisfied that our midterm break was correct. Coming to the next bracket, 2x square minus 3x, so only x is common. 2 will be written inside and as there were 2x, so 1x will be written inside the bracket. Minus sign will remain the same and 3 will be written because this x is outside the bracket. Plus 2x minus 3, nothing is common, so 1 is common and 2x minus 3 will remain the same. Again you can see that our two brackets are same. Taking common from the next two, 2x square plus 14x, 2x will be common because 2 is divisible by 14, 2 7 times 14. So x will be written inside and 14 will be changed to 7 because 2 को हम divide कर देते हैं 14 पे और जो आंसर आता है वो हम ब्रैकेट के अंदर लिखते हैं. Minus and 3 and 21, 3 is the common digit. Because we have taken minus as the common sign, so this minus 21 will be changed to plus 7 because again हम 3 को 21 पे divide करेंगे, 7 आंसर आएगा और इस minus sign को हम change कर देंगे plus sign में because of taking minus as the common sign. Writing the same bracket once, x plus 7 एक दफ़ा, x plus 1 भी एक दफ़ा, 2x minus 3 दो दफ़ा है उसे एक दफ़ा लिखेंगे, x plus 1 को एक दफ़ा, 2x and minus 3 एक दफ़ा और x plus 7 2 times है but they are same so they will be written once. Again you can see that we are having all the brackets twice, x plus 7, x plus 7, x plus 1, here is x plus 1 again, 2x minus 3, here is 2x minus 3 again. So again we will write them in the square form, x plus 2 square, x plus 7 square, x plus 1 square at 2x minus 3. So here the factorization ends. Now we have to take the square root. Taking the square root, all the squares will get cancelled with the root and the answer will be written outside the root, which will be x plus 7, x plus 1 and 2x minus 3.